What is the largest living being that has ever existed on Earth, and still swims in our oceans? How does a 180-ton animal survive by feeding on tiny creatures? What ocean sound can travel more than 1,000 kilometers underwater? How vulnerable can the largest animal on the planet be? Did you know this species was on the brink of extinction, and is still fighting to survive? Today we'll dive into the depths of the ocean to meet a true titan of the Earth. Bigger than any animal, more mysterious than a marine legend. Yes, you heard right. The largest, longer than a school bus, and heavier than 30 elephants combined. Get ready to discover the creature that rules the seas with elegance and power, the imposing and majestic blue whale. Its scientific name is Balænoptera musculus, although there's nothing muscular about it. This marine colossus can measure up to 30 meters long and weigh almost 200 tons. Its tongue alone can weigh more than a rhinoceros. And if you were lucky enough to see its heart, you'd see something the size of a small car. With heartbeats as slow as 5 per minute when it dives. And yes, her breath shoots up like a 9-meter geyser. So if you see a cloud in the sea, it could be her waving at you. But wait, what does such a colossal beast eat? Sharks? Giant squid? Penguins? No. The blue whale is a fan of oceanic fast food, krill. Tiny crustaceans that look like miniature shrimp. During feeding season, this giant can eat up to 4 tons of krill a day. That's like you eating 70,000 hamburgers a day. And she does it with style, opening her mouth like a net, swallowing thousands of liters of water, and then filtering it with her baleen, broom-like plates that hang from her upper jaw. A fine and ancient technique. Blue whales don't just eat and swim, they also sing. Their song is deep, enveloping, and powerful. They can travel more than 1,000 kilometers underwater. And why do they sing? To communicate, find a mate, and maybe, just maybe, to express that they are the queens of the ocean. And speaking of couples, these titans have a quiet love life. They reproduce every 2 or 3 years. Gestation lasts almost a year, and when the calf is born, it measures about 8 meters and weighs the size of a small truck. Did you know that a baby blue whale can gain more than 90 kilos a day? Now that's rapid growth. And it's all on breast milk, fattier than peanut butter. The blue whale lives in all the world's oceans, from the Pacific to the Indian Ocean, from the Atlantic to the Antarctic. During the year, it undertakes epic migrations, traveling thousands of kilometers between feeding and breeding grounds. In the summer, it feeds in polar waters. In the winter, it escapes the tropical heat to rest, and fall in love. But despite its imposing size, the blue whale is not invincible. During the 20th century, it was hunted mercilessly. In some parts of the world, its songs are now heard more frequently. The ocean, little by little, is giving it space to reign again. So the next time you look at the sea, imagine that beneath the waves, a creature sails that has seen it all, the passage of time, the era of man. And yet it's still there. Singing, floating, living. Because the blue whale is not just an animal. It is a symbol of life, of resilience, and of the hidden power of the ocean. The blue whale impresses not only with its size, but with its history. A survivor of centuries of hunting and human noise, it sails today in search of food and hope. To protect it is to protect life itself, in its most majestic and vulnerable form. And so ends our journey alongside the blue giant of the oceans. A creature that, despite its immensity, swims silently among the waves, reminding us of the beauty and fragility of marine life. If this giant has touched your heart, help us protect its world. Help us take care of its habitat by not polluting the sea where it lives and where life thrives.